Right, when you are well, the fastest and the best way to join two wires, such as the one I have here, I'm just going to add more ground to the frame of the bike to give it a better electrical connection. But the best way to join two wires is to splice them where you're about to join it and hook them in a fork like this, and then join them together and twist them. So both of them are forked like this. Put them together, squeeze them, and then twist them. What you'll do is you'll get it like this. Some people like to solder this, but a better and a faster method is to use, if you can see up here, the shrink wrap. Okay, so you have a piece of shrink wrap there, and the key is super glue. And the best super glue for the super glue that I like the most out of all of them is right here, Loctite. Now, this little dispenser here, I can put any tube of super glue in here, and this thing will last me a month because this dispenser is so well designed. But usually I use the Loctite go-to glue because that thing just lasts months and months and months. I get about, if I don't use it too much, I get it sits there for a year maybe, 6 months to a year. It's a new product. But I use it so much that it's like 2 months and I'm on another bottle. But once you have it like this, you're gonna put super glue just on a little bit of the wire here, a little bit on the wire here, and you're gonna protect this wire here with a waterproof coating of the go-to glue, which is a gel, and it's flexible. So the whole wire will have a flexible rubber super glue shell on it that can flex but is also as strong as super glue. So this took me this method you can do in maybe half or quarter of the time. It's so fast that and it's so fast and almost 100% reliable that the only time I solder now is when I really have to get it so that it can withstand a lot of tension and heat, which this always does with the shrink wrap. So put the connector like that, join the wires together, super glue them, go a little bit back and a little bit forward, and coat the whole thing. It's permanent. You'll never get the wires out. Even if you pull it, you'll never get it out. Okay.